Savings and Credit Cooperative. So what does USPD-SCC stands for? So United Sugarcane Planters of Davao Savings and Credit Cooperative. So supposedly duha ni ka-office sa USPD direct. Ang USPD MPC o USPD SCC or Savings and Credit Cooperative. Ang katong USPD MPC or USPD Multi-Purpose Cooperative, ang mga member ng ginato is katong mga planters lang. Mo kita sila naguna kay USPD. So nag-decide ang management nga why not mag savings and credit cooperative pod nga ang mga member is open siya sa tanan. So separate office na si USPD MPC o USPD SCC. So ang office ni USPD MPC or Multi-Purpose Cooperative is katong nara sa likod sa kong table. Ila ka office dito. Yan siya. So separate office na sila ron. So our cooperative is a primary cooperative registered by the Cooperative Development Authority or CDA last September 8, 2003. So sabay ni sila sa pagkamugna sa araw ng Digos. Pagkamugna. Sabay sila sa Ulugan. Una na si Digos kamay. So, muna siya open membership. So open siya sa tanan, makapamember, babata, ulitaw, dalaga, senior, kana siya. Tapos, 22 years in operation na si USPD karong tuiga. Magulang last September 8. So, muna siya matagaran overview of the importance of PMES and overview of the cooperative industry. Sa'yo. Okay, muna itong COP's values: self-help, self-responsibility, democracy, equality, equity, then solidarity. So we have 7 cooperative principles. So number 1 is voluntary open membership. Number 2, democratic member control. Number 3, economic participation. Number 4, autonomy and independence. Number 5, education, training, and information. Number 6, cooperation among cooperatives. Then 7 is concern for the community. So our vision is a world-class international standard-based cooperative with excellent products and services, dedicated to improving member social and economic well-being, committed to environmental protection. Next is to maintain the platinum status. So the mission, to continuously innovate and provide excellent products and services. To maintain the personal approach in providing savings and credit services to our members. To provide continuous education on the value and habit of saving to members. To empower members to become and sustain their entrepreneurial spirit. To inculcate the core values of the cooperative. And last is to instill in members and communities the importance of protecting the environment. So, wala siya mga basic needs usually kung maka-member ta sa mga co-op. Savings or investments, life insurance or HMO, non-life insurance, then memorial lot or funeral service. So, co-op membership policy, how to be a co-op member. So step 1 is attend to PMES or mo siya pre-membership education seminar. So ang schedule sa PMES na mo is daily na siya. Pero ang face-to-face is schedule gini siya Tuesday and Thursday. Martes o Huwebes. Napon may online pod. Kaya siya. Kung ang client, kung ang mapamembro is di siya ka-attend o face-to-face. Pwede siya makadod sa office. So step 2 is open membership account. So now fill up membership application form. So after sa seminar sa mag-fill up ng kaani. Then attach photocopy of duha ka valid ID. Pwede lang isa. Driver's license. Ay, pila ka ID, sir? Isa ra. Tapos tagay 2x2 ID. Okay lang. Tsura lang ka na mo. Ano lang. Then tapos sketch of residence. Mag-drawing lang ta. Sketch. Sa inyong residence niya. So napay daw ka klase sa membership. Muna ang regular membership o associate. Ang kinang regular, ang makapamembro anis kato ng edad ng 18 years old pataas. Ang kinang associate membership, ang makapamembro anis kato ng edad ng 17 years old paubos. Ang mga youth. Kaya siya. So rights of a regular member, 1 is interest on share capital and patronage refund, or muna siyang ginatawag na ito nga dividendo. To vote and be voted upon, third bullet, attend and participate in the affairs of the cooperative such as annual general assembly. Next is file any elective or appointed position subject to the provisions of the cooperative bylaws. Access and avail of the co-op products and services of the cooperative. Then receive reports and information and recommend policies. So notes to the member are duties and responsibilities as a member. So pay the required capital share. Patronize the products and services of the co-op. Participate in co-op activities and promote our cooperative. Then be a mix or member in good standing. Then pay in time. Kana sa mga loan. So, when can we terminate membership? So, kung saan natin ma-terminate atong pagka-membro diriya? So, after 1 year of membership, imutan na to si sir, nagpa-member na karon, then gusto na siya mo-resign. By isa katuig nga siya, na-member diri. So, di ba na siya allowed? After 1 year, pag-ibig siya pag-membro. Next is automatic and voluntary termination. Ang kining automatic, kung once nga ma-desist lang member, yung automatic nag-terminate ang iyang account diri. Ang kining voluntary termination is kung sa member gusto na siya nga mag-resign. Third bullet, within 2 months of processing after the submission of duly accomplished termination form. So kining si 2 months, din siya ma-apply sa automatic. Kaya sama sa gingon earlier, yung automatic na o terminate kung si member is deceased na. So ma-apply na ni 2 months sa voluntary lang. Munta na si sir, mo-resign na siya, mag-wait na siya og 2 months. Para ma-process yung resignation or termination form. The last is no other liability and obligation. So, dapat kung mag-resign ka, sapat wala lang kayo mga loans sa clear na tanan. Ano siya. Pwede mag-resign.
Napay
nabilin. Dapat kung mag-resign po siya, dapat wala po siya himo nga co-maker po. Ana. So note, a service charge of 100 pesos after 60 days of processing. Membership fee cannot be refundable. And all privileges and benefits are automatically cut off. So savings account to provide our cooperative members with quality savings plans or investments that will enhance members' financial stability to develop the habit of savings and to empower members' lives. So muna ni siya, ito ang bayaran ron kung member mo karon.
3,960.
So initial investment, share capital 2,500, savings 500, membership fee nga 500, and life insurance nga 460. So a total of 3,960. So ang inyong savings mag-earn og 2% interest rate per annum. Ito po siya. Per annum. So ma-post na siya every quarter of the year. Quarter of the month. So dali na ta sa share capital requirement policy. So ito ang share capital requirement policy is no partial withdrawal. Hindi siya nga ma-withdraw anytime. So fixed deposit lang ginahin nyo ang share capital. Di ra ginahin ninyo makuha yung share capital kung ma-resign na mo. Mahawa na direct. So every member is required to subscribe a minimum share capital of 100 shares at 100 pesos per share, equivalent to 10,000 in 2 years upon membership. But member may initially deposit 2,500 to be considered as regular member. So sa policy gina mo diri sa co-op ang required gid ni member kung ang required gid sa member kung mapa-member siya diri is 10,000 gina siya ang share capital. Mo gina siya. Pero hindi pa gyud nga makaya put up or di pa gyud nga makaya ni client nga mapa-member siya nga mo put up din siya 10k. Pwede na sa 2.5. 2.5 lang sa. So unsa mo tong 7.5 nga balance. So USBD SEC member will sign a subscription agreement for ang agreement tani. So muna siya subscription agreement for, muna siya antay balance sa 7.5. Ang kining 7.5, i-divide nato na siya into 24 months or 2 years. Kay 2 years man gihatag yung USBD para makompleto ang GSMIL. So 7.5, i-divide nato 24 months, so monthly deposit og 315 sa sulod sa duha ka tuig. So papiliyon na mo ani, it's either a monthly, quarterly or semi-annual ninyo. Kung quarterly every 3 months, then semi-annual is every 6 months. Pwede po ninyo advance na ninyo kung ano may mga extra as long as kompleto gid ang GSMIL. Kung di gid siya nga matuman sa kuan nga imutan na to gi-monthly ni sir niya, next month na siya magsugod og deposit niya. Kung ma-late lang siya, so di lang ka worry kay as is ang ginaka-amount ana niya. Wala siya interest. Basta ang yata lang siya do ka tuig niya.
Basta makuanan din siya monthly. Bahalag dili matunong sa date.
Yes, sir. Pwede po advance na ninyo. Basta di lang maubos sa gihatag nga 315. Ano? So, manner of dividend and patronage refund distribution. So, patronage refund on savings and loans. The patronage refund on savings and current loans will be credited to share capital. So, tubo sa share capital ang patronage refund. So, second bullet, interest on share capital. Members with share capital of 10,000 pesos and above, so 30% cash dividend makredit sa iyahang savings account. So 70% for capital build up. So tutubo sa share capital. Kung sa member ang iyang share capital lang kay ubos sa GSMIL, so ang makuha ra niya is 100% capital build up lang. So wala siya makuha ang cash dividend. Kung sa kining mga delinquent members who are tagged as past due by maturity, 100% charge as payment of their past due account. Ang application penalty, interest then principal. So kasi na makuha ang tubo sa share capital or cash dividend. Ang ginagawa ko nga dividend mapunta dito sa ilahang mga past due nga mga loans. Ito itapak. So savings product na mo ang kining youth savings account. So if you have children of 0 to 8 years old, invest only for 500 pesos. Initial share nga 200, initial savings ka 200, then membership fee nga 100. So savings can earn an interest of 2.5% interest per annum. So kasi na may bata gusto yung pa-member.
Here's a baby.
Siya. So dapat siya kaugaling yung passbook po. So dapat tayo Power Teen Savers Club for 9 to 17 years old. Only 500 pesos muna sila itong mga associate membership na to. So, initial share nga 200, initial savings nga 200, membership fee nga 100. So, savings can earn an interest of 2.5% interest per annum with a minimum of 500 pesos. So, same lang sila itong sa